हाफ हार्टेड ना कोई चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए, इट रूइंस एवरीथिंग। हाफ हार्टेडली खेलना भी नहीं चाहिए, पढ़ना भी नहीं चाहिए, आई थिंक कुछ खाना भी नहीं चाहिए, कोई भी काम यू शुड नॉट डू हाफ हार्टेड। इफ़ यू आर eating something, make sure you eat it properly. If you are working on something, you should work on it properly. If you are exercising, if you are working out, if you are exercising, you should work out properly. And if you are playing something, you should play to win. ऐसे ही खेल रहे हैं, मज़े में खेल रहे हैं, टाइम पास नहीं, ये हम खेल ही रहे हैं जीतने के लिए। बिना जीतने खेल का क्या मतलब है? What is the meaning in playing without winning the game? हाँ, if we lose at the end, that's not a problem, but our effort, 100% effort should be of winning the game and excelling at the task, any task we are doing. If we do not accomplish it, if we do not excel at it, that's another thing. But at the end of it, when the task or the work which you are doing is finished, then you should have no regrets in your mind that you didn't give it your 100% every time. लूडो भी खेल रहे हो तो लगना चाहिए कि भाई जीतने के लिए खेल रहे हैं, सांप सीढ़ी भी खेल रहे हो तो जीतने के लिए, क्रिकेट भी, फुटबॉल भी खेल रहे हो तो जीतने के लिए खेलना है। तो नहीं कि भाई आ गए हैं, खेल रहे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं तो खेल ले रहे हैं। नो, आई डू ईच एंड एवरी टास्क टू डू एक्सेल एट इट, eating, living, sleeping, wearing clothes, to going execution of my work, my professional work, my playing, my being out with friends, anything and everything I do it fully, with full commitment and my full integrity, and everything I have, I put in it, not half-heartedly. If something I'm doing half-heartedly, I leave it at that, because at start and at when I start the game, start anything, I get to know that if I'm liking it or not, and if I'm liking it, then only I do it. If I don't like it, I leave it at that, because life is very short. You should not do anything that your mind, your body, your inner self is not convincing yourself to do it. You are not able to convince yourself to do it. अगर अंदर से नहीं मना पा रहे हो खुद को कि यार ये करना नहीं है, then you are doing injustice to yourself. Start anything, do anything. Give it your 100%, give it your full commitment, give it like you'll never be able to do it again. This is the last chance of doing that task. And do it like that. Not a single chance will be there left for you tomorrow or the next chance. There is no second chance. Give in your mind that only that thing, that this is the chance I've got, I give it my all. Like that only. Everything in life works that way, be it health, career, relationship, everything. You should give your everything to it. At the end, you should not be at the place that you should regret that यार कुछ और टाइम दिया रहता, कुछ अच्छे से फुल कमिटमेंट दिया रहता अपने तो शायद. You should not be at place. That is the worst place to be. That you regret, यार ऐसा कर सकता था, वैसा नहीं. जितना कर सकता था उतना किया मैंने. I give it my all. I may be not successful at the end. That's okay, because every time I'm not gonna win. But I try and win the maximum times. And that is what I call living a life. Thank you.